Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be going to fidget obby and I'm gonna try to finish the obby. So let's get into it. Before I start, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm so close to 23 subscribers, and I know it's not a lot, but in my case, I haven't got that many subscribers, but I'm all thankful. Now, let's begin. This is kind of easy. I wish like it popped when you jump on it. Like pop. Maybe the panda plushie will pop. Okay. This is honestly just too easy. I'm scared. Oh! Okay. Yes, it says simple dimple. This is a stress ball. Am I right? Stress ball, because I don't know the name. We're just calling it stress ball either way. Oh my god! How did I miss that? How? Okay. Wait, it reloaded me. Simple dimple. This is a simple dimple. You guys might be up wondering, hey, are you the girl who has fidgets? No. Then you would probably say, then how do you know so many things? Well, then I'll say, this is how I remember. This is how I remember from a song from TikTok. Simple dimple. Pop it. And so on and on. That's how I remember. Also, my new display name is Pansy. And because that's my real name. So, yeah. Wait. Did it go down? No, it didn't go down. But this makes you... Whoa! Okay, don't step on these things, like the round, or it'll make you die. Okay, and oh, jump! This is so hard. I have 5% battery. Where is my charger? Wait, I found my charger, guys. Is it the right one? Yeah, it's the right one. Okay, it's charging. Okay. Anyways, back on with the video. I'm kind of scared. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Whoa! That was a really and hard jump. Right there. Okay. Stress ball time. I hope I don't lose again, please. Roblox, you made me lose once. There's no way you can possibly do it again. I'll be doing a name reveal and a face reveal because some of you guys didn't join at the time when I did those both, but you can always find it. Well, shh. Sorry, my mom's being annoying. Anyways, oh, I quit. Okay. This is too hard. I'll find something else. Let's go to my recent games, maybe. There's some stuff here. There. Okay. We have color block. Okay. I'm gonna play color blocks instead because I feel like fidget obby is just not helping. So we're changing to fidget obby. Wait, no 4 blocks there. It's always like the last one standing. But that obviously has to be me. Because I'm gonna be the last one standing. I hope. I want someone to lose already because I want to go into the next one. Hey, look, cheated. They were about to. I'm so confused. Looks cheated again. I'm so confused. Well, looks cheated, but apparently he was the winner. I died. The game is gonna start in 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What mode should we pick, guys? Bow tower, low gravity, bow mode. I'm going with bow. Is it bow? Oh, low gravity.
Dig up diamonds, crack those diamonds and make some armor. Get it, baby, going forge. I like you so, MLG Pro. The sword's made of diamonds, so come at me, bro.
Well, how did someone die in the first round?
I did ready for the big fight. Every single day in the home like
but low gravity is so helpful. It makes you jump
look
faster.
at me, look at you.
How
Take my
dummy?
revenge, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a warrior, baby. What else is new?
Okay,
and my blade's gonna tear for you.
I was like, I'm gonna but this
Yeah, let's take back the world.
yellow. I'm
Grab your sword, armor, and gold. It's on.
okay, now
Take your revenge.
4. Pink sauce. Go down. Don't act like I didn't see that. This is cyan. Wait, is it cyan? Yes, cyan. Okay. But I was already on Manchant. Wait, they died. I think. Oh no. No, they didn't die. Oh my. Low gravity is so helpful. It makes you jump like everywhere. But Mackenzie, me, I'm gonna win. I'm the last person standing. I won! Sunset Games YouTube won, obviously. Because why wouldn't I win? Come on. I won. I won. I won. I won. I won. I won. I won the game. So now we're gonna play second round and see if I win or lose. I'm going with high heel mode. I love it. But triple blocks mode is also. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm scared. Okay. Dark. Disappear mode is so hard. Like everything disappears. Purple. Purple. What is purple? Wait, no, that's magenta. Okay. Oh my god. Lily, stop barking. My dog is barking. Dog, stop barking. Lily. My dog keeps barking. Lily, stop. Okay, she stopped. There's pet food upstairs if you want it. I'll be up there in a jiffy. So, there's no winner. I don't care anyway. Bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Wait, I'm purchasing. Bye.